Okay, welcome back. I connected the battery here to the very nice looking engine, the famous Alfa Romeo V6, also known as the Busso. It's the 24 valve. You have like older versions with 12 valve, but this is the more modern and more powerful 24 valves. It develops 192 horsepower, plus hopefully maybe a few more with the new sport system. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the car. So I'm going to start the car now. Really nervous. Let's see what happens. Haven't done this in 1 year now. Let's see. Okay, here goes nothing. Ooh, okay. It started and it sounds... Wow. Okay. It starts. That's cool. Whoa. Okay. So, a few things happen here. Go to dealer. Motor control system failure. That might be because I didn't properly connect the air intake hose, but at least it started. That's a good start, I guess. It sounds kind of rough. So here's the CSC system. It does sound good though. So I'm quite happy with the noise. It is a little bit rough. So like, but as I said, I haven't like properly mounted this air intake system, so that might be it. I think I'm just gonna shut it off, the engine now, and connect this and maybe try later and see if it sounds sweeter. And I'm gonna rev it too, just to, you want to know what it sounds like with a little bit of revs. Okay, see you, bye.